See that new piping right there? They also fixed like a little hole right here in that spot. Alright, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to your boy. So the Honda is doing it to me again. Like, it's not starting for some reason. Like, it just clicks. Alright, let me show you. So I got the key in there. Alright, see, it has like some sort of power and it just clicks. Sometimes it's all the way. It just clicks. I did check the battery. The battery is good though. Like, it's not low, nothing like that. But what I noticed is if I have somebody starting the car and I go over here and I mess with these wires right here, it'll like turn over. So I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna take this thing out because this thing is kind of pointless. I even messed with this one, but this one's fine. So it's mainly here when I move this around, that's when it starts. Something about this connection is when it starts. For anyone wondering why this screw is here, is because I tightened it with the screw in, so it'd be like, because this was all the way tight and this was moving a little bit, so you put it in here so it's a little more like it can hold on easier. That's why that screw is there. Alright, so you see I cleaned it up. I took this out. This is like for a sub, but I took it out to see if it will help it out. But I cleaned it up a little bit. So let's see if it starts on its own. Alright, so I started it 3 times. I think it should be good now. I'm pretty sure it's that connection somewhere there. It was just not, it wasn't getting it for some reason, the power or something. So cleaned it up. Hopefully it'll be good now. That's what it's looking like now. So we should be good. Everything is tight. Everything is tight. I mean, this engine bay should get a cleaning or something. So I think it should get a cleaning and whatnot. So the Honda, it has like this small oil leak. I mean, I don't know if it's getting bigger or not. Hold on, you can't really see it. Let me get the light. Got my snap-on light right here. Oh, now you can see it. See how it's like oily and all dirty and whatnot? It's somewhere like around here. But y'all see, I'm trying to get some things done on this Honda, so at least it's like just drivable. You know what I mean? Just not really much to worry about. Biggest thing is that starting issue. Y'all see in the beginning of the video, I did the exhaust on it earlier today. And yeah, I don't really have much on this car to really like video and whatnot. I had a couple ideas on it. One of the things it really needs in the front is like the paint. So let me close this hood and I'll show y'all. So you see, like, look at the front bumper. Clear coat's bad, like the paint's messed up. This fender is really messed up. Like, look at that, wow. The hood's starting to happen to the hood right here. Like, this is clear coat peeling. It really like needs a paint job. This fender is whatever, but the only thing is, like, if I'm gonna paint this front, it's like I might as well paint the whole thing, because if you look more, like, it has some dents in it, it has some dings, it's got like some scuffs on it, you know what I mean? Like, look, right, you can't really see right here, it's got these lines, like, it's got more things. So see, like, you go on this side and it's just got like marks and lines. And then if y'all look at the back, that's all scuffed up. This is all scuffed up. It's got this weird mark right here. I don't know where that came from. I think about giving it a whole paint job, but y'all know how much that could be. And is it really worth it on this Civic? You know what I mean? Alright, so never mind. Shout out to my brother-in-law, Sparrows. He helped me get this together right here. So we were able to put that fuse together right there, figure that out. It did actually come out a little more, so it could reach to here. So now I got a sub in here working. Just put this together, made sure these were tight. This is tight. This ain't coming out. Yeah, so it's gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to your boy, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.